Welcome back, Building with Zach here, and today we have a super exciting project. This guy on YouTube, his name is the French Drain Man. He saw one of my videos and I mentioned that I didn't have enough money to expand my dry riverbed, and he said I would love to give you a water feature in your backyard. And of course I couldn't have turned that down, and I am so thankful for him doing all this and putting out his time for me. So I'd just like to show you around a little bit. So right here, right now, I think the water feature is gonna go here. As you can see, it's all being torn down. And then if you look over here, this was the old dry creek bed. And it's taken out and it's ready for bigger things. So right now it's about 11 o'clock and we are awaiting the French Drain Man. We are super excited, and what we're doing once he gets here, we are going to unload all the equipment from his trailer and get it set up back here. Okay, so right now we're just unloading everything. It's really hot out, but we are super excited to get this thing started.